From raw wood to success, the story of a Kuksa cup. In a small village nestled among vast olive groves, where sunlight filters through the leaves to illuminate the red dirt roads, there lives a carpenter named Luca. He lives in a small wooden house located near the edge of the forest. Since he was a child, Luca has been passionate about woodworking. His father, a master carpenter, passed on this passion to him when Luca was a boy. His father used to say, "Every block of wood has its own story, and it is your job to help tell that story." One day, Luca decided to make a kuksa from a block of olive wood. Kuksa is a traditional cup of the Sami people of Northern Europe, usually made from birch. But Luca wanted to challenge himself with a different type of wood, a wood he has always loved for its beauty and durability. Olive wood has a complex texture, alternating dark and light grains that create a perfect harmony. For Luca, this cup is not only a handicraft, but also a symbol of his journey of self-improvement. The olive block was initially rough, without a specific shape, just a piece of natural wood, sturdy and full of challenges. It is like many of us when we first start our journey. We do not know where we will go. We do not know who we will become. But the potential is always there, waiting to be discovered and exploited. To start, Luca needed to have a clear vision of what he wanted to create. He had to imagine the shape of the Kuksa cup in his mind, from which he could begin to shape it. This is the first lesson in the journey of self-improvement, having a vision. Vision is the foundation of any journey, not only in creating a handicraft, but also in life. You need to know what you want. Visualize it clearly in your mind before you can start taking action to achieve it. Luca's vision was a perfect Kuksa cup, and with each swing of the axe, each chisel, he got closer to that vision. Similarly, in life, every step we take, no matter how small or large, should be guided by a clear vision of where we want to go. When he started shaping, Luca used a large axe to carve the excess wood from the block of olive wood. Strong and decisive strokes were needed to remove the unnecessary parts of the block of wood, just as we must let go of bad habits, negative thoughts, and unnecessary things in our lives. This process was not easy. Each swing of the axe required determination, strength, and intense concentration. Sometimes Luca felt tired and wanted to stop, but he knew that if he wanted to achieve something great, he needed to persevere and never give up. There were days when Luca felt like he was fighting the block of wood, as if it didn't want to obey his will. The cuts weren't straight, the pieces didn't split as he wanted, and sometimes he thought that maybe he had chosen the wrong block of wood. But after each time he felt defeated, Luca told himself, "Nothing is easy at first. Success requires patience and determination." And he kept going. This was the second lesson: patience and determination. Patience is an indispensable element in any journey. It is the ability to endure and keep going, even when everything seems to be against you. Luca knew that if he was patient and continued his work, he would gradually see results. And sure enough, after many hours of carving, the block of wood began to take the shape of a Kuksa cup. However, it was still rough and needed further refinement to become perfect. At this stage, Luca switched to using a small knife and chisel to meticulously shave off the small details, creating soft lines and perfecting the cup. This process required great concentration, dexterity, and patience. Smooth lines began to appear, and the Kuksa cup gradually appeared before Luca's eyes. He knew that every detail, no matter how small, contributed to the perfection of the cup. This is the third lesson. Constantly improve yourself and pay attention to every little detail in life. The small details that Luca paid attention to in the process of creating the Kuksa cup are the factors that make a big difference in our lives. Small changes in attitude, behavior, or daily habits can make a huge difference over time. Sometimes we just need to make a few adjustments to the way we work, the way we interact with others, or the way we look at life, and these changes will bring about lasting positive results. As Luca continues his work, he recalls his early days as an apprentice under his father. He didn't know how to hold an axe, didn't know how to carve a block of wood, and was discouraged when his first products failed. But day by day, hour by hour, as he worked hard, he became better. His skills became more refined, and he began to create products that he could be proud of. It was a process of continuous practice and learning. This is the fourth lesson. Success does not come from big things, but from small steps, from constantly learning and perfecting skills. Luca realized that, like this block of olive wood, he too was once a rough block, needing to be forged and chiseled over time. The process of becoming a skilled carpenter does not happen overnight. It is the result of many years of effort, many failures, and many lessons learned. Luca understood that no success comes easy, and everyone needs time to develop and perfect themselves. He learned to be patient with himself, and this helped him go further in his journey. Finally, after many hours of work, the Kuksa cup was completed. It is smooth, beautiful, with delicate and sharp lines. This cup is not only a piece of handicraft, but also a testament to Luca's journey of self-development. Every line on the cup is the result of his patience, ingenuity, and passion. However, Luca's work is not over yet. He knows that if he does not take care of and protect this cup, it will quickly be damaged by time and external factors. Therefore, he decided to apply a layer of protective oil on the cup, making it more durable over time. This is the fifth lesson. Protect and maintain what we have achieved. Constantly care for and nurture it so that it can last. The protective oil that Luca applied to the cup not only increases its durability, but also highlights the natural beauty of the olive wood. It is similar to the way we need to take care of ourselves, protect the achievements we have achieved, and continue to grow to maintain success. Success is not just about achieving a goal, but also about maintaining and developing it over time. We need to take care of ourselves, both physically and mentally, so that we can continue to achieve new successes. Looking at the Kuksa cup that he created, Luca felt an immense joy and satisfaction. But more than that, he realized that the journey to create this cup was also a journey of self-improvement. From a rough block of wood, thanks to vision, patience, hard work, and determination, he turned it into a perfect work of art. And that is how we can succeed in life. Luca knows that each cup he creates has its own story. A story of transformation, of constant effort, and of self-improvement. When he looks at this Kuksa cup, he sees not just a handmade product, but his entire journey from when he was a young apprentice to becoming a skilled carpenter. This cup is a testament to his growth, both in terms of his craft and his mindset. He recalls the times when he encountered difficulties in the process of making the cup, the times when he felt discouraged and wanted to give up. But each time, he reminds himself of the reason why he started. It was his passion for wood, for turning raw blocks of wood into works of art. It was also his desire to improve himself, to become the best version of himself. And that helped him overcome all difficulties, to create products that he could be proud of. Luca understands that the journey of self-improvement never ends. Even though he has become a skilled carpenter, he is always learning and improving his skills. He knows that every day is an opportunity for him to learn something new, to become better, and to create better products. And he also knows that success is not a destination, but a journey. With each Kuksa cup he creates, Luca learns more about himself. He learns how to be patient, how to face difficulties, and how to constantly improve himself. And that not only makes him a better carpenter, but also makes him a better person. He realizes that just like the original block of olive wood, each of us has the potential to become the best version of ourselves. But to achieve that, we need to have vision, patience, and determination. We need to constantly learn, practice, and improve ourselves. And finally, we need to know how to protect and maintain what we have achieved so that it can last over time. Luca also realized that just as he had been taught by his father, he had a responsibility to pass on his knowledge and experience to the next generation. He began taking on apprentices, young people who shared his passion for wood. He taught them not only the techniques of carpentry, but also the life lessons he had learned through the process of making Kuksa cups. He taught them the importance of vision, of patience, hard work, and determination. He also teaches them how to care for and protect what they have created so that it can last a long time. During his lessons with his students, Luca often tells them the story of the first Kuksa cup he made from olive wood. He talks about the difficulties he encountered, about the times he wanted to give up, but reminded himself to continue. He talks about the joy and satisfaction he felt when he finished the cup, and about the valuable lessons he learned in the process. Luca's stories have inspired many young people, helping them understand that success does not come from luck or natural talent, but from constant effort and determination to pursue their dreams. Just like the Kuksa cups that Luca created, each of us can become the best version of ourselves if we are willing to put in our vision, patience, and hard work. Success does not come from big things, but from small steps, from constantly learning and perfecting skills. And finally, the most important thing is that we must know how to protect and maintain what we have achieved so that it can last long and bring sustainable value. When Luca looks back on his journey, from when he was a young apprentice to becoming a skilled carpenter, he feels proud of what he has achieved. But he also knows that his journey is not over. He still has many things to learn, many products to create, and many people to inspire. Luca knows that life is a never-ending journey, and every day is an opportunity for him to go further, to become the best version of himself. And you, who are listening to this story, remember, life is a journey, and every day is an opportunity for us to get closer to success. Don't be afraid of difficulties. Don't give up halfway. Keep on chiseling, and one day you will become a perfect work of art.